Nova. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here, bottom. What? What you going to do? What you going to do, silly? What you going to do, silly? Y'all, I just do this to play with her. Not actually hurting her, I swear. Swear to you, I am not hurting this dog. But yo, he's so cute. He's so cute. If you know, you know. I made a video with her. There's one video on my house. So see y'all. Bye.